Let's look at the formula for sum to infinity. A geometric series will only converge if r is between -1 and 1. What do you mean by that? So it means r can be in a proper fraction, like where the numerator is smaller than the denominator, and it can be negative or positive. That's what it means. Okay, right. Now let's look at the formula. Remember, Sn is equal to a 1 minus r to the power n. That's the formula for a geometric series, right? And then this can be written as Sn is equal to, we can distribute this a here, and it becomes a minus ar n over 1 minus r. And remember, we can split a fraction. We can split a fraction. Like for example, if you say 2 plus 3 over 4 can be written as 2 over 4 plus 3 over 4. We can split a fraction like that. So this can be written as Sn is equal to a over 1 minus r minus arn over 1 minus r. If r is between -1 and 1, then what does it mean? R to the power n approaches 0. R to the power n approaches 0 as n approaches infinity. It means that as n becomes bigger and bigger, r to the power n approaches 0. Like if you say 1 over 2 to the power, let's say 1 million. Okay, the values are what? Approaching 0. So as n becomes bigger, approaches infinity, r to the power n approaches 0. Remember, we're looking for sum to infinity. Therefore, this part, ar to the power n over 1 minus r approaches 0 as n approaches infinity. As n approaches infinity, r to the power n approaches 0. This whole expression approaches 0 as n approaches infinity. So this approaches 0 as n approaches infinity. So we can conclude and say Sn is equal to a over 1 minus r as n approaches what? Infinity. Then we can write it as our formula, sum to infinity is equal to a over 1 minus r. And then write the condition when r is between -1 and 1.